how I created this beautiful holiday look. So first I'm going to use my y'all, I had to zoom in, so not zoom in, but I had to really look so I could see. But first I'm going in with the Beatles A99, which is this beautiful red color. This color is going to be put on the pinky finger, the thumb, and the pointer finger. What I'm going to do is I'm just going through and making sure I get an even coat on each nail. Now you will not see me right here currently put it on the pointer finger, and that's just because I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to use all of these colors together and make them very cohesive into the style that I want them to be. So you're going to see me go in with the Jew Whitney, and I cannot remember the number of this color, but if I do remember it, I will insert it in for you guys. But I'm going to put that on the middle finger and make sure that I get a nice even coat. I really think that the red and the green and the white go beautifully together. And so lastly, I'm using white in D&D, and it's called white chalkboard, and I'm making sure I get an even coat of that as well. I just want to make sure that the polish is as even as possible on all of the nails, so you don't have some see-through spots on some parts and no see-through parts on the other. And so after I get all of these nails painted, I'm going to put them in for 30 seconds. And then after that, I'm going to start working on the beautiful white, green, and red marble nail that you guys seen, trying to get that together. Now, I can say this has been my favorite design that I have recently done. I had not seen anybody do it with this method before, so if someone has, please let me know. But all I do is I do the base of white, and then I just add on to that. So I started with the red, and then I'm going in with the green by G. Whitney, and then after that I'm going to start going in with the red again, just trying to make a marble like design as best as I can and getting the style that I want. And I try to get the style that I want with the initial application, because I do not want to go over this again. If I have to, I notice that you don't necessarily get the perfect outcome that you're looking for. So after that, I cure that for 30 seconds, and then I start working on my bow. Now, I'm gonna let y'all know, I personally have not drawn in a long time. Like, I just started doing nails again, so doing this design was really one of the big pushes for me. So I'm going to do a straight line down the middle and a straight line across for the bow. Now, when I tell y'all, me trying to make my lines straight, it was so, I don't know, just so hard. I don't understand. I guess you can say it's because, my hands are a little shaky and I have not drawn in a long time, that, that's why. But I don't know. I try to make things as perfect as possible, knowing that things aren't always going to be perfect, but it is what it is. So I'm just going through and I am trying to make that line as straight as possible. And I'm going to cure that in between each application that I do when I feel like it's needed. And so next I'm going to start drawing the bow part. I honestly could have made the bow bigger, but at this point I didn't really want to push it, but it very much could have been very much bigger. going to do the design on this nail. So I got the vanilla cream in, no, that's velvet cream. I got velvet cream in D&D. And I'm going to start doing a plaid nail. Now this plaid nail, oh Jesus, it gave me all types of problems, but this has been the first plaid nail that I have done in probably 2 to 3 years. So it did not look bad, how it came out, but when I tell you the process of doing this, I wanted to give up so many times. I got out of frame so many times because I was literally so focused on this nail, trying to make sure that I got this nail perfect, that I got out of frame, y'all. But I do get back into frame, so enjoy while I do this plaid nail design. So I did cure that for 30 seconds, and somewhere I lost a clip because what happened to the rest of my design? I don't know. But I did go in and I did add a lighter green color for some of the lines for the plaid nail. And right now I'm just going in with this green color. That ain't green. Oh my God, my brain. I'm going in with this gold color just to add a little highlight and accent. So enjoy while I finish these nails. So here's the final look of the nails. I am going through and I'm adding a glossy top coat. After I add the top coat to all of the nails, I will cure this for 60 seconds. So enjoy as I finish applying this top coat, and you guys will see the finished look in just a minute. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if there's any videos that you would like to see moving on in the future, don't be afraid to put that down in the comment section. I will be doing Vlogmas, so it'll be vlogs, or not even vlogs, just a video a day. So I hope that you guys enjoy, and let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.